Hello, my name is Aman. Today, I want to talk about work, about responsibility, and about life. Hello, my name is Riya. I am happy to talk with you today. This conversation is slow. This conversation is calm. So, you can listen, and you can learn English easily. Sun behind small cloud.
Riya, do you wake up early for work?
Yes, Aman, I wake up early. Sometimes, I feel tired, but I still wake up.
Why do you wake up early, even when you feel tired?
Because I have responsibility. My work needs me. My family trusts me.
Yes, responsibility is heavy sometimes, but it gives meaning to life. Office building.
Aman, how is your office life?
My office life is busy. Many tasks, many deadlines. Sometimes, I feel pressure.
Pressure is common at work, but how do you handle it?
I take a deep breath. I remind myself, this work is important. People depend on me.
That is responsibility, doing work, even when it is hard. Mantelpiece clock.
Riya, what does responsibility mean to you?
Responsibility means doing your duty honestly, not running away, not blaming others.
Yes, it also means being on time, finishing work properly, respecting others.
When we are responsible, people trust us more. Sad pensive face. Aman, do you ever feel like quitting?
Yes, sometimes I feel very tired. Sometimes I feel, why am I doing all this?
I feel the same, but then I remember my dreams, my goals.
Dreams give us strength. Responsibility keeps us moving. Hot beverage. Riya, do you take breaks at work?
Yes, short breaks help me relax. I drink tea. I breathe slowly.
That is good. Rest is also part of responsibility.
Yes, if we don't care for ourselves, we cannot work well. Stack of books. Aman, have you ever made mistakes at work?
Yes, many times. Mistakes teach lessons.
When I make mistakes, I feel sad, but I learn.
Responsible people accept mistakes. They improve themselves. Brain. Sometimes, work stays in my mind, even after office hours.
Yes, mental burden is real. We must learn to balance.
Talking helps. Sharing helps.
Yes, and silence also helps sometimes. Crescent shaped moon. Aman, does your family support you?
Yes, my family supports me. That support gives me strength.
Family responsibility is important too.
Yes, we work not only for money, but for loved ones. Seedling. Riya, success takes time.
Yes, we must be patient.
Daily effort matters. Small steps matter.
Responsibility teaches patience. Speech bubble.
To everyone listening, do your work honestly.
Speak calmly, learn slowly, grow daily.
Responsibility makes you strong.
And English becomes easier when you practice slowly. Glowing star.
Riya, I feel peaceful after this talk.
Me too. Aman, talking calmly heals the heart.
Work is important, but peace is important too.
Balance both, and life becomes beautiful.
Thank you for listening. Take responsibility, learn slowly, and believe in yourself.